While declaring a variable, we can explicitly specify the type. After the variable name, we put a colon and then write the type. This is known as type annotations. Let's see an example. Here we declare an integer type variable named x and assign value 7. As you can see, we put a colon after the variable name x and then specify the type int. Let's see few other examples. The first one is of type string. Price is declared as double and age is integer. Unless we have specific reasons, we don't need to use type annotations. As we progress through the course, we will see cases where type annotations are useful.